Hello and welcome. Quick update video about Solana. Solana has moved out to the downside, broke out to the downside of this ascending wedge. We talked about that the wave 4 could have peaked here, yeah, and that we could have already started that fifth wave down here, yeah. That might actually become a bit closer, but basically all these waves end down here, 4 waves, and we could now be in that fifth wave, which means that we could finally be in the last dump to complete the overall correction. As I said in the last videos, I'm expecting another drop. There was a little bit more short-term upside potential, potentially, yeah, but primary expectation is another dip here. Now, we need to be careful. This is in no way confirmed yet. The only thing is we've just broken out of this wedge to the downside, and it was more likely to break to the downside. It is an ascending wedge. Bear flag, yeah, and the Elliott wave count matches as well. What we need to be careful about, this is only the 1 hour chart, so let's go to the 4 hour chart. Ideally, you want a retest on the 4 hour. We've already had the 4 hour candle close outside, which is positive, but we now need to see that 4 hour candle will close actually in 20 minutes. So we need to see that. Oh no, it won't. It won't. I'm just mixing up here British time and the UTC. No, that won't close. That will close in a little bit more than an hour. So ideally, you want also to have a retest. That'd be fantastic to then move down, because I do wait for that last dip. Not that I want prices to crash, but I am waiting for that last dip. It is just more likely based on the Elliott wave count. Also the pattern here, this looked very corrective. And we need to be careful it's not just a fake out. Now, this move down, this fifth wave, will only be confirmed below $46. So below that swing low here, which is structurally very important. So only below that, this will be confirmed with a very high likelihood. At the moment, it is looking a bit like this could have been a wave 1, 2, and that's what I showed you in the previous video. This would be a wave 3, 4, 5, yeah, and with that we could finalize the correction. And I don't know yet where the wave 4 and 5 will end. We can though calculate the target for the wave 3 based on current assumptions that the wave 2 already peaked, and with that also the wave 4, so that basically this downtrend has already started, which I would like, because at least then it will all be over quicker. Now what am I doing here actually? See, talking and doing something just doesn't work. All right, so let's start it here. Fibonacci extensions, target for a wave 3, at least the 1.618 fib extension. Now, you can already see, I said it won't be confirmed below $46. Well, there you go. This is the minimum target for a wave 3 anyway. So then we would see a wave 4 and a wave 5 down. Now, likelihood is that either the wave 3 will be extended or the wave 5, because in this last leg down, we should get below this low, yeah, below the $35 level. And it could just be $30, you know, but one of these waves needs to be long. Which one doesn't really matter. But of course, the 1.618 at $46 is only the absolute minimum target. So we could also very well go to the 2.618 at $38 absolute target, which makes sense for me here for Solana. Then a wave 4 to the upside, and then a final wave 5 down, which could possibly reach here the 3.618. I've got the feeling, depending on how strong that move down will be, we could even reach here that $20 level. That is a very significant support level. And if the internet would load the chart, there we go. Here, this back here in June 21, May 21, the $20 level, highly relevant, yeah. But yeah, just want to make you aware that the downtrend could now have started, especially as we reacted here quite impulsively to the downside, but we haven't even made it below the first swing low here. This would be very important to get below $52 to confirm the breakout with a higher likelihood, and then to really confirm that we are already in the fifth wave down, we would need to move below $46. So that's currently what I'm looking out for. We need to be careful, it's not just a fake out, but yeah, we've been waiting for that dip, and we can see here that from high to high, it was getting trickier. Yeah, it was getting more difficult for the price. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. And now we've even made a lower high here. So yeah, quite a bearish signal and a breakout. So let's see if that is going to play out, that move down, or if it manages to get the turnaround, getting back into the wedge, or at least getting back above $55, where we would then unlock price potential all the way to $75. Yeah, so it all depends on which support or resistance level will be broken. But for me, higher likelihood is that we moved down. That has been the primary expectation anyway here in the last videos. Yeah, and there we are. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. Quick update only for Solana. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And also make sure you follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the video description. Very important, because there you will find some additional content, and that might even be interesting for some channel members, because on Twitter and Instagram I sometimes post stuff that we wouldn't post necessarily in the members area. Yeah, so it's a little bit of a different type of content there. But yeah, check that out as well, and make sure you don't follow any scam profiles, please. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and bye-bye.